Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Roblox and making sure chat is enabled for your account. Open a game or the main chat panel and focus the text box by pressing the / key or clicking the chat icon. Once the chat field is active, make sure your laptop keyboard or on-screen keyboard is ready. Press Win plus Control plus O on Windows to toggle the touch keyboard. This gets you into the typing state and prepares the next step, inserting emoji quickly and reliably. You now use the System Emoji Picker to insert symbols directly into Roblox chat. On Windows, press the Windows key plus period or semicolon to open the picker. On Mac, use Control plus Command plus space. Once the picker appears, type a keyword or click the emoji to add it to the text box. Make sure to position the cursor where you want the emoji. Roblox will accept it like normal text. Once done, review spacing and combine emoji with short text for clear in-game. You finish by pressing Enter to send your message and confirm that the emoji appear correctly to other players. If the emoji do not send or show as boxes, make sure Roblox and your browser or app are updated and try a different browser. Once done, clear cache and cookies, log out and back in, or enable additional language / Unicode support in your OS. If problems persist, restart your laptop. Often a reboot restores proper emoji rendering and keyboard input.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.